as you have seen, I was bullish gold all week. And the reason for this was, as I said in both video and written analysis, was this very bullish structure, uh, a combination of bullish engulfing and pin bar, and suggested buy dips all over the week. The case remains the same. Um, I expect not only, as I said, this high in the near future, but even a break above 2K. But let's go to shorter time frame and see what we can have on shorter time frame. As we can see, after this high, gold dropped and suggested 2 days ago buy dips under 1900, a very strong leg up, and now gold is consolidating in this symmetric ascending triangle. So what we can do is again to try buy dips. This could be a very important zone between 1920 and 1925, and of course from here we want a rise. As I said, the previous high at 1960, of course it will offer resistance, but in my opinion this resistance will be just a pit stop, and gold will pass it and go to 2K zone. Okay, that's it for today's video. Bye bye.